How to transfer WhatsApp business chats from old phone to new phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp business chats from your old phone to a new phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before you start anything, make sure that both phones have WhatsApp business installed and you must be using the same phone number and you need to have a stable internet connection. And with that, let's start with the method one, that is to transfer using the cloud backup. So here on your old phone you can just open the WhatsApp business, and from there you can simply go to the settings, and here once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on chats. Now here in this section you can simply scroll down and tap on chat backup, and there you can just tap on backup and wait for it to complete. And with that, now on your new phone you can install and open WhatsApp business and verify the same phone number, and when prompted you can just tap restore to restore your chats from the backup. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to transfer using phone to phone transfer if available. So you can open WhatsApp business on your old phone, and there you can again go on chat settings, and here once you are inside the chats you can simply see for the option that says chat transfer or transfer chats. But here as you can see, this option is not available on my phone. But if you have that option, you can just tap on transfer chats and follow the on-screen instructions to transfer chats directly to the new phone using a QR code or local connection. And that's it. That's how you can transfer WhatsApp business chats to new phone easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.